Today I'm going to show you how to use named ranges in Google Sheets. So in Google Sheets, you can actually name an entire range, whatever it is that you'd like, as long as it doesn't have a space in the name. So you could do an entire column. So this is column C, and currently you can see that this is column C, but it is called C as well. And this is row 4. Now we can also go and do this and say that this range over here is from B4 to G5. And whatever it is that you would like to name, quite simply, on the top left, you'll see exactly where the name box is. Click in it. And now you can say name range, or whatever it is that you'd like to name it. But as I mentioned, you cannot add in any spaces. Now, if you would like to reference this in another sheet, or even on this sheet, you can literally just use the name of your range.